5 top ways to make passive income. Who does not want to earn a bit extra money? When money can guarantee you a quality life, you definitely want to make a little more money. Maybe you are not satisfied with your usual daily official job remuneration. Why not consider being a little more independent with passive income? You can earn passive income by using your skills or creativity or investing in any other profitable sector. However, today we will tell you the 5 top ways to make passive income by which you can easily start earning passive income. Invest in dividend growth stocks. If you can provide time with consistent investing and build up your portfolio, you can earn $1,000 per month by investing in dividend stocks. Investing in dividend growth stocks will be more profitable if only you could be smarter. Invest in real estate. Investing in the real estate sector may seem a bit risky to some, but the truth is that you can earn a good amount of money every month from here. If you can choose the excellent property wisely, then investing in real estate for passive income would be best for you. Invest in stocks, REITs, or bonds. Stocks, REITs, or bonds are old and traditional choices for raising passive income. You can make your personal bank accounts wealthier through growing interest income, dividends, or capital gains. Start affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a fantastic new way of passive income at present. If you have a website already, then what are you waiting for? You will earn money when users use your affiliate link to buy any product or service online. Create and sell online courses. You must be good at something. If so, expose your skills. Create an online course, maybe a video tutorial, and sell it online. Earn passive income using your spare time at home. Do many people think that passive income means earning by adopting illegal ways? No, passive income is your alternative income. There are many other fine ways to earn passive income outside your 9-to-5 job. If you have the hunger to make money, start today.